Good morning. Our today's topic is Crotalus horridus, another snake poison. Crotalus produce profound nervous shock and prostration with trembling and in mind and disposition, disorganization, not only in mind and in also circulatory system causing disorganization. Crotalus horridus, the medicine produced from rattlesnake. Now I am telling mouth. Once again, I am reminding you, grinding of teeth during sleep. It was proved when the medicine proved the symptom develops, and it was being repeatedly clinically verified by our masters. Tongue, all round throat during sleep feels tied up, cannot speak a word properly. Very red, smooth, polished tongue like sepsis, like pyrogen. Complete loss of taste in hepatic disorder. Tongue enormously swollen, protruded. If you observe the title picture of this lecture, then you will see the protruded tongue of the rattlesnake. In patient also we are getting protruded tongue. Tongue may suffering from cancer of tongue with much tendency of hemorrhage. Regarding breath, offensive, peculiar offensive breath with pifted throat, salivation, bloody salivation. Now throat. Already I have told regarding gangrenous or ulcerative hemorrhagic throat affection with swelling of glands, and when they are suffering from throat trouble in such a grave manner, head thrown up and backwards. Tight constriction in throat internally especially. Sensation of a plug to be swallowed. Sensation as if plug to be swallowed. As if uvula is swollen, steep, as if a dry spot tickling especially left side. Otherwise it is right side, but in throat symptom we are getting left sided complaint. And impossible to swallow liquids. Now I am telling about stomach symptom. Generally, Crotalus patient is very hungry and hungry with trembling and frequent faint sinking feeling with hungry sensation in epigastrium. Weakness with occipital headache, unquenchable burning thirst. Feeling of hungry with unquenchable burning thirst. Erectation, sharp, sour, rancid erection, nausea and movement, dark green vomiting, immediately lying on right side, craving for stimulus. So, in this relation, I do like to share on one of my case I have treated about 29 years ago. He was a known case of cirrhosis liver and diagnosed by the then time famous doctor of our state, and he was supposed to take rest at his home as he was about to die. And they consulted me as there is no treatment for cirrhosis of liver, as he was about to die. They asked me, requested to help some medicine. Whenever I observed the patient, I got 2 or 3 important features. One is hemorrhagic, hemorrhage from nose, hemorrhage from mouth, and hemorrhage from rectum. Just observing the appearance of the patient was very black, otherwise he was fair. But getting the trouble at the extreme of life, when he was about to die, the total color of the skin was as if he was burnt out. Then the patient showed me one deep gangrenous ulcer on the tibia, and he was a chronic alcoholic. He was supposed to take alcohol every day. And considering all, I prescribed Crotella Saridus 200. The patient requested me, I will take your medicine as per your advice, but don't ask me to stop alcohol. If I do not take alcohol, I will die. My appetite will be diminished. I will die not taking alcohol. Please allow me. That is why I am telling, craving for stimulus. Non-cirrhosis liver patient, craving for alcohol. And getting Crotella Saridus 200, he was started improving, and it was repeated after 2.5 months later. And ultimately, the treatment was concluded with the lycopodium 0.1 to 0/13. And for the first time, I safely declaring with all investigation reports he did that there is no finding favoring cirrhosis of liver. But after 5 to 6 years, then again he started to take alcohol. In a scorching heat weather in summer, he got an attack of sunstroke and died. But he did not die of cirrhosis of liver, but of sunstroke. Then another important symptom of stomach is on abdomen actually, cannot bear clothes around stomach of or hypochondria and hematemesis. And stitches in region of liver on drawing a long breath, worse by pressure. Stitches in region of liver, aggravation by pressure, a violent pain in left side near last ribs as even diaphragm. Heat and tenderness of abdomen, can scarcely bear clothes on. Like lachesis, what was in throat, it is more significant crotellus on abdomen. Now stool, it is also same like hemorrhagic manifestation, coffee ground, offensive dark green stool, debilitated stool. It may be in last stage of typhoid or in cirrhosis of liver, and very offensive stool from high spicy foods. It also turned into diarrhea, and any septic stage with black bloody stool. Vomiting and purging with micturition simultaneously caused by spasmodic contraction and tenesmus and strangury, and uncoagulable blood. In selected patients, we are also getting intestinal hemorrhage when occurring during course of septic disease or zymotic state. It may be hepatic, it may be splenic or cardiac origin, or from cancer, any atonic ulcer, even any other cause. Crotellus patient may also suffer from hemorrhoids, a great tendency to bleed, on straining a little at stool or on standing in a pregnant woman, they may suffer from hemorrhoids. Apart from, alcoholics may also suffer from portal congestion and hemorrhoids. Now urinary organ, hematuria, suppression or painful retention of urine, scanty, dark, red with blood, jelly-like, green, yellow-like, passive renal congestion when from embarrassed circulation as from obstructive heart disease, asthma, chronic bronchitis, particularly during a course or a sequelae of zymotic disease. Hematuria with cancer of bladder and prostate. I never fell with Crotella Saridus whenever I got the symptom. Malignancy in urinary bladder, hematuria, and the deathly condition of the patient with few mental demeanor, confused perception, all those things, I never felt with Crotellus. And I am sharing you, after taking Crotellus 31 or 2 doses, within 24 hours, the blood or hematuria will be stopped. Then pregnancy, parturition and lactation, miscarriage during course of septic disease, or in nurses exhausted by long nursing of diabetic patients, puerperial fever or convulsion in connection with albuminuria. Actually, those who are suffering from eclampsia, if they turn into hemorrhagic manifestation with eclampsia, Crotulus is a very beautiful medicine, it will save the life. Lochia is very offensive from retained or decomposing matter. Also after pain with such offensive black red lochia. After parturition, left breast inflamed and hard with fever and perstration. Yellow spot on face, trembling of tongue and discharging thin milky pus and broken down tissue. Once again I am telling, broken down tissue from an opening beneath the nipple. In few patients, left leg may be swollen and grinding pain in leg, aggravation from slightest touch during pregnancy. Now I am telling about sexual organs. In male, the only single line written in herrings, but it is very important. Sexual instinct increased with entire relaxation of penis. No physical capacity, but desire is very much high, and sharp cutting pain in glands of penis. Rather, we are getting more symptom in female sexual part. Menses a week too soon, first preceded by weight in head and ears, accompanied by pain in abdomen and back and cold feet. The pains last some hours longer than usual and go off after 2 days with intense frontal headache, generally which lasts from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. almost throughout the night and till morning and up to 1 a.m. Puerperial fever or convulsion, already I have told. Now I am telling about respiratory organ, hoarseness with weak rough voice, bruised pain from larynx to chest, cough with stitch in left side and bloody expectoration. In every spell, in every sphere, in every organ, when it is being affected and requiring Crotulus, there would be hemorrhage. Laryngeal nervous cough may be present, constant choking sensation, as if dry, irritating vapors, salt or pepper in throat, worse left side. Provoked by cold, dry air, deep inspiration, speaking by external pressure, and worse on awaking. Even Crotulus is a very good medicine for whooping cough, though nowadays it is not happening, taking place. Within time, patients, those who are suffering from whooping cough and having no established treatment except homeopathy, those who have got treatment from other system, in extreme stage they may suffer from hemorrhage, conjunctival hemorrhage, hemorrhage from nose in whooping cough. In those cases, Crotulus was very good medicine. An excessive oppression in chest, burning in chest, and pneumonia with tendency to gangrene. Then heart symptom, heart weak, trembled with anxious labored breathing, much pain in heart. As the heart is in left side, the pain and all those things naturally will take place in left side, though the medicine is right-sided. Left shoulder blade, down left arm, they are getting pain, anginal pain. Heart tender when lying on left side, and pulse hardly perceptible. The neck and back, tearing pain from right shoulder to neck, and worse on moving on, they feel bad. Pain on top of shoulder and ascending aorta. Aching in right kidney and stomach. Then generally limb affection, painful paralytic sensation, mostly rheumatic or neuralgic in nature. The important symptom is heaviness and numbness in limbs. And if we consider upper limb, bruised pain, especially in shoulder, in paroxysm. Large inflamed furuncle on right upper palm near elbow. in selected case, tuberculum wrist, near end of radius, and size of large split pea. Once again, open ulcer. Rather blue from sting of insects some years before, more pronounced in summer months. Vesicular and pustular eruption about wrist. The lower limb starting jerking pain with numbness and heaviness, drawing suddenly from left hip to foot. And during and after walking, feels as if a tendon was drawing from sole to right foot through bone of leg. Now skin, itching and stinging all over. In urticaria we may use Crotalus. Itching followed by ecchymosis. Skin dry, petechial hemorrhage, herpes, boils, carbuncles with large opening and sloughing. Especially Crotalus is indicated for free oozing of decomposed blood, black blood and sloughing of the affected part. Now sleep, yawning and drowsiness with inability to sleep, dreams of traveling, sometimes horror dream, and symptom worse after sleep, and grinding of teeth during sleep. As we are continuously telling about the relationship of sepsis with Crotalus, at least we should illustrate some fever symptom. In chill stage, surface is cold, especially extremities, flashes of heat all over, sweat, especially axillary bloody sweat, low bilious remittent fever, and fever complicated to cerebrospinal meningitis in any zymotic stage. Now simply I am making comparison with other medicine, two medicine you have learnt earlier. Crotalus is preferable in fluid hemorrhage. Fluid hemorrhage right-sided. Naza is more nervous. Lachesis has cold skin, Kami rather cold and dry, hemorrhage with charred straw sediment and more markedly elements of the left side. The cobra poison Naza coagulates blood into long strings. So character of blood is different in Crotalus and in Lachesis. In Crotalus it is fluid hemorrhage. In Naza it is coagulated in long string. In Lachesis it is charred straw sediment in blood. The relationship, it is written in Clark's dictionary and also in Herring's guiding symptom. If we indiscriminately anytime used Crotalus, Heridas in potency and dose repetition, we should not execute it in any point. It is a very depacting medicine, a life-saving drug. But if it be happens, it may be antidoted by Lachesis. Its effects modified by camphor, opium, and alcohol, and radiated heat. So, in nutshell, if we telling 2 to 3 points, one is hemorrhagic tendency, another is sepsis, another is mental confusion, another is deathly state of the demeanor. Thank all of you. If you are having any question, you may ask me now. Okay.